Why does your scanner show the P2800 engine code? What does it mean? P2800 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission range sensor B circuit (PRNDL) input. This error code indicates your powertrain control module is receiving erratic, irrational, or no voltage signals from the sensor that tells the car's computer what gear the transmission is currently selected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission range sensor, damaged wiring or corrosion, misadjusted shift linkage, voltage supply issues, internal valve body obstructions. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.